Video tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to use cardlaxy app to sell your gift card at high rates. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your notification because whenever I drop another video, YouTube is going to notify you. Click on the like button to like this video and also share it for more people to see after you finish watching, guys. This is how it goes. Go to Play Store or your Apple Store and search for cardlaxy. You can see it. Go to your Play Store or Apple Store and search for cardlaxy. You can see it. You can see how it looks like. Download this application. And after you finish the downloading, open it, guys. Open it and let it open, guys. And it's going to look like this. You can see down here. Click any option down here. And it's going to show you option like this. You can see you don't have an account. Sign up. Click on sign up. Do you understand right now? And it's going to give you this option. Do you understand? It's going to ask you to put your first name, write your name here, and put your Gmail here. Make sure it is active Gmail. The next thing is your phone number. Put your phone number here. Do you understand right now? The next thing is to put your password. Make sure your password starts with capital letter. Let's say Godwin for example. Let me show you. Hold on. Let's say Godwin for example. Make sure it starts with capital letter like this. At the end, add a number and add any symbol like this, or like this. So your password will be successful. Do you understand right now? And the next thing right now is to put your invitation code, guys. Guys, use this invitation code to register. Do you understand? Although you can see that the invitation code is optional, but if you use this invitation code, they are going to reward me and they are going to give you a welcome bonus as well. But if you didn't use any invitation code, if you skip it, you are not going to get any welcome bonus. Do you understand right now? So I will say you should please use this invitation code so we can both get reward. Do you understand right now? And after you have done that, you can see I agree to cardlaxy terms. Mark it like this, then click on sign up. Do you understand right now? And your account will be registered successfully. Do you understand? Now let me log into my own account and show you how to use cardlaxy app to sell your gift card at high rates, guys. Let me log in, then we continue. Guys, right now I've logged in, and this is what you are going to do. To sell your gift card, you can see sell now. You can see sell now. Click on sell now. Do you understand right now? Click on sell now and let it load. I think this network is summer. Let it load, then we continue, guys. It's going to pop up like this. You understand right now? When it loads, it's going to pop up like this. And you can see these are the all gift card you can sell on this app. Do you understand right now? But now let's say this is the iTunes card that we want to sell. You choose the balance of your gift card after you choose the categories of your card. If you want to change it, you click on change and you choose the one you want to sell. Do you understand right now? Then you click the balance. You can write it or click it. Let's say $200. Write $200 here. And the country of your card, let's say your card is US card. You choose US. If it is UK card, if it is Canada, if it is Australia, you see these are all the country here. After that, the next thing you are going to do, you can see physical card or e-code. Physical card is the common card and it's a gift card that someone purchased on a physical shop, physical store. E-code is a gift card that someone purchased online on a website. They are just going to send the code of that person, the code of that gift card to that person's Gmail. Do you understand right now? That is e-code. Do you understand? And the next thing you are going to do, you can see fast, leave it like that. And the next thing you are going to do, you can see upload. Click on upload. Then click on gallery. You can see cameras, you can see gallery. Now click on gallery and select the image of your gift card on your phone and upload it. After you have done that, the next thing you are going to do is code. You understand right now? You can write the code of your gift card here if you want. Then you click on confirm. You can see down here, this is the amount you are going to get for Apple iTunes of $200 US card, 221,000. Then you can see after you fill out the remaining information, you select your gift card here and you write the code here. Do you understand? Card code, card data, the code on your gift card. You write it here. Then you click on confirm. This confirm will be available to click. You click it, and in a few seconds, it will say success. Do you understand right now? It will say success. The next thing right now, and your money will be available on your balance like this. And the next thing is to withdraw your money to your bank account, guys. You can just see withdrawal. You understand? You can see withdrawal. But before withdrawal, you can see me here. Me. You can see me. You can see home, transaction support me. Click on me. And you can see bank account. Click on bank account. You can see add bank account. Click on add bank account. Select the bank you are using. And write your account number, then click on submit. You can see my OPay is here. Do you understand right now? After you have added your bank account like that, you come back here, you come back to home and go to withdrawal. Do you understand? And write the amount you want to withdraw. Do you understand? You write the amount you want to withdraw. Then you can see here the minimum amount you can withdraw is 10,000 to unlimited. Do you understand right now? And it will say confirm to withdraw. Then you click on confirm to withdraw. Sharp, your money will deliver to your bank account. Sharp. So guys, this is how to use Cardlaxy app to sell your gift card at high rates. If you have any question, write it in the comment section. Make sure you click on the like button to like this video and also share it for more people to see. One love, guys.